Hello, it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and I have a ton of stuff to share with you today. Depending on the order you see or that I post these videos, you may already know, but I took a trip to Dallas and I hit up 12 different Ollies all around, like on the way to Dallas, coming back from Dallas, all around Dallas. So let me show you what I've found. I'm gonna work on showing you some stickers. I'm definitely breaking this up and I'll show you as I kind of go through. But I found so much stuff that I thought I should break this up into some smaller chunks. These just the cutest. A few of these items I've either had people like send me, like I know I got a couple strawberries from somebody, but I wanted a few more to have on hand, or I've gotten some before, but especially for ones that I've like started giving a bunch away, stocked up on a few extras. There was one store that had everything in these big packs, and so I asked them like, hey, are these, supposed to be sold that way? And they were like, I don't know, but just go ahead. So one store I got all these multi-packs for $1. So like this had 9. I already have some of these, but I was like, well, 9 for $1. That's like a little over 10 cents each. Cannot pass that up. So we got that. Got some frozen ones. This one I'll pull out so you can see it. So these Olaf, which are super cute. Got these baby ones, which I don't use a lot of baby stickers, but again, there were 6 in here for $1, so I felt like I could definitely pass them on. And I do love like cute little like animals and things like that, so I definitely think like the star, the ducky, the bear, this little train, maybe even the little block. Like there's lots of things I could use even if it wasn't a baby spread. These are so pretty. I was so excited to find these. These little beautiful pumpkins. Those were individually wrapped. They're all mixed up. All this stuff is mixed up from all the different stores I went to, because there were so many. I found only one of these, which is so cute. I wish I had found more. And then this has a little bit of like a raised surface. Found these recollection hearts. This is another one of those multi-packs. And let's see. So just different street signs. Again, not something I would totally gravitate towards, but I feel like these could be used, for travel, or if other people are interested, doing some swaps with them. So I got those. I really like these. They only had one. I'm trying to find something that has like a plain back. I don't know, something will pop up. This has mostly a plain back. So we've got these little farm animals that I thought were very cute. And let's see, these little llamas, aren't they just the most adorable little things? So many cute little llamas. Love those. Same thing with these little narwhals. Very cute. This is another one that I only found one of. It was just kind of like randomly. It's actually like all smushed up too, like in the back of a box. I thought these were really pretty. They're like a vellum, like clearish. Aren't these adorable? Look at these little puppies and kitties, and they have little like glitter outfits. And some flowers, sports with some hollow on them. These fish I thought were kind of cool. These sharks, I got these mainly because I think my boys will like them. And race cars. For a lot of these I was like, let me just get like at least one, and then I have them on hand. These I thought were cool, these Toy Story ones. So they've got the silver foil, and they're like those big packs. Goodness, I'm so sorry. That have like 5 sticker sheets. They've got this alpha, they've got these strips. So that was cool, I thought. And we looked at those. let's see. I found these little puffy stickers. $1 for one sticker is definitely a lot, but they're just so stinking cute. That I had to grab at least one of each. I didn't get extras really of these, but I don't know. I'm gonna find somewhere to put them because they're so cute and they're squishy. All right, found some more of these Jolies. So we've got this Western theme. I thought this Easter was super cute with the little bunny and the eggs. The eggs even have like little jelly beans in them. Very detailed. Kind of Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell is not like my favorite Disney character, but I like her. She's cute. France. I found some different France stickers near me, but not this set. These I thought were fun. Again, they're baby, but you know, I know people with babies, or just even like these little elephant seals would be cute. I got this. These are funny. So there are 3 to a bag. This was not the store that was just giving me all the multi-packs. And so I brought them up because I was like, well, let me just see what happens in the multi-packs. And so I brought them up and the cashier was like, oh, these are supposed to be separated. I'm like, okay. But then she went to separate them and they didn't ring up. And so we started separating them out. She was trying to ring them up. They didn't work. So then usually in that case, people just kind of ring up something else that's $1. Isn't this beautiful? It's so detailed. But I think she was, I don't know, newer or just a little bit more nervous about coming up with her own way to handle things. So she called the manager to get a SKU. And the manager was like, oh, those are $2. And I'm like, wait, $2 for like one little pack of stickers? Like, they're Maggie Holmes, but come on. And then she was like, no, they're $2 for the 3-pack. So then we were like repackaging them back into the 3-pack. So a little less than $1 each, which is still great. These little turtles, there's 6 in there. These were just, they gave me this whole 6-pack for $1. Again, this was at the one that was not too concerned about multi-packs. Aren't these so cute, these little gators? I got a couple of these, partially for me and partially I think my students would enjoy them. Let me open this. Should have opened it beforehand. I haven't actually opened the full thing to see all of what's inside. And I'm ripping the cover. That's okay. Here. Duh. Scissors. Alrighty. So, aren't these just funny? Such funny little alligators. I think they're very cute. And these were, again, just $1. I think all these stickers were $1, except for that one multi-pack. That's funny. Little skates and icons, little alligator heads, and little sentiments. Very cute. So I got those. These little puffy stickers. These are some, it's like a whole pad of different like small letters. I picked up some of these letters. I honestly could not remember which ones I had and which ones I don't. I haven't been getting a ton of these little letters, but I thought a lot of these have just like really cool, you know, they're glitter, or like this is like a watercolory look. And so I figured I'd get one of each. I kind of erred on the side of like, let me just grab one, even if I think I have it, if I'm not sure, because I'm not going back to Dallas anytime soon. And so if I don't use them, I'm sure that there is someone I know who will. This is another little multi-pack one where I got 3. I really like these thin ones. I think they look so nice. And then we've got these white ones. These I'm pretty sure I don't have. These I might. But so lots of little letters. Found some of these like 3D K and Company ones, which I thought were cool. So there's a travel pack, which I liked. And then these Christmas ones are very cute. They're more like traditional Christmas than cutesy Christmas, but still, I just love like the dimension and the gems and the glitter. There's like a lot going on there. And then the same thing with the fall. We've got like Thanksgiving. Again, we've got like foiling and dimension. And then there's some stickers. So we've got these. I don't know what collections these go to. And I know I have one pack of stickers that was kind of like bright like this. So I don't know if I already got this one or not. But again, I wasn't sure. And so I felt like definitely wanted to grab those. These I did not have. So I thought these were really cool. All these different sentiments. These I also know that I do not have. They're very pretty. And this says it's from Joyful Notes. I'm not sure like who makes that collection, but then these alphas also said Joyful Notes, and they have kind of that same patterning. So I thought that was fun. They kind of go together. I got some more of these. These I already had, but the pink with the silver hollow, these are like some of my favorites, and I've been giving them to a lot of different people, so I got a couple more of those. And then these I don't have. The Groovy Darling, I actually got some of these stickers. Tina from Tina's Craft Creation sent them to me with some of the Flower Child stuff that's also by Jen Hadfield. I think it's Jen Hadfield is the designer for these. So these are really cool because they'll go with that. So that is my sticker haul. Tons and tons and tons of stickers. Again, this was like across 12 different stores. So I don't think they're getting a lot of new things in these stores, but these are just like, you know, the stuff that they've had boxes and boxes and boxes of that have probably been sitting there for months. And most people have gotten what they want, but they were new to me. So it was a lot of fun. I have a couple more videos to record of different things that I picked up on my trip. So thank you for watching and happy crafting.